Today, I'll walk you through how to change the Snapchat calling sound, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to customize your notification sound so you can enjoy a more personalized experience with your app. First, let's dive into the process. Start by opening your Snapchat application on your device. This is where all the magic begins, so go ahead and tap that icon to launch the app. Once you're in, navigate to your profile. You can do this by tapping on your Bitmoji or the silhouette icon in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page where you can access various settings. Now look for the settings gear icon, usually located in the top right corner of your profile. Tap on it and you'll be directed to the settings menu. Here, you'll notice that there isn't an option to change the notification sound directly within the Snapchat app itself. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the steps will still be similar. To change your Snapchat calling sound, you'll need to exit the app and head to your phone settings. This is akin to stepping outside of a room to adjust the lighting. Sometimes you need to change your environment to get the desired effect. In your phone settings, scroll down to find the notifications section. Once you're there, tap on it to see a list of all your app notifications. Look for Snapchat in this list and select it. Here, you'll find various options for customizing how you receive notifications from the app. Once you select Snapchat, you'll see options for notification sounds. Choose from the available options to set your preferred calling sound. This is your chance to make your Snapchat experience truly yours, whether you want a fun tone or something more subtle. And there you have it, you've successfully changed your Snapchat calling sound. Remember, this process may vary slightly depending on your device, but the general steps will remain the same. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.